This is how you turn off the sleep focus on your iPhone. Just pull down from the control center and then tap on this lit up icon, and that turns off the sleep focus. You can tap on focus to choose a different one. When sleep is on, something fun you'll note is there's a little bed icon right beside your clock showing that sleep focus is on. You can turn it on and off really easily. You can also delete the focus altogether if you want to. To do that, go into settings, scroll down to focus. Here we see all of our focuses. You can create new ones by tapping the plus, or you can tap into most of them, scroll down to the very bottom, and tap on delete focus to delete it. The only one you cannot delete is do not disturb. When I tap into there and go down to the very bottom, there is no delete option for this one. If you're finding that your phone is running out of space, then check out this video here. I show you 5 or 6 hidden trash cans that you probably don't know about that you need to empty on a regular basis to maximize the space on your phone. So check out that video next. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I will see you on that one.